Animal Story by Keito Hoshino. In the depths of a mountain there was a hole where animals lived. One day, Jack the bear and Camel the deer went to get food together. Pepe the rabbit stayed back to relax. Jack and Camel come back,
We got a lot of food.
said Jack.
Let's all eat together.
Jack and Camel made dinner. Jack and Camel and Pepe ate a lot. Everyone was full. Jack said,
I put the leftovers in the fridge.
After that, the three went to sleep in their rooms. The next day, Jack got up and washed his face. He opened the fridge to drink milk. He reached for some fruit.
The apple I got yesterday is gone.
Whispers Jack the bear. The camel, the deer, and Pepe the rabbit woke up.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Jack said.
Did you know the apples we took yesterday are gone?
I don't know.
said Camel and Pepe. Jack and Camel went to get more food. They returned with apples and pears, matsutake mushroom and fish. After breakfast, the three played karata. Pepe excused himself.
I need to go to the bathroom.
He said. When Pepe returned, Jack said,
There is something on your mouth.
Pepe wiped his face clean. That night Jack could not sleep. He could forget what happened the day before. All night he watched the refrigerator. Then Pepe walked into the kitchen. Jack said,
So that's what happened. Pepe is the criminal.
What's wrong?
asked Camel.
The criminal is Pepe.
Said Jack.
Pepe,
Asked Jack.
why steal food?
Sorry.
Apologized Pepe.
I was hungry.
That's okay.
Said Camel and Jack.
Just tell us first.
All three lived happily ever after. Moral: don't take other people's things.